morning students. Today topic 3.7 relative velocity. Now here consider a two object. In this case consider a two object moving with a uniform velocity. Moving with a uniform velocity for object VA and for object VB, means average velocity of VA and average velocity of VB. Here consider two different objects moving uniformly, average velocity VA and VB. Now in this case position of the object is x0 for A type of object and xb for B type object at a time t is equal to 0. At a time t is equal to 0. Now in first case at a time t is equal to 0. So here first equation is xa of t is equal to xa of t is equal to xa0 plus va t, xa0 plus v t. Okay, this equation already proved. Okay, now second one for object b is equal to same xb0 plus vb into t. Okay, now displacement from the, in this case displacement from the object A to object B is given by object A to object B is given by, in this case, xba. xba is equal to xb minus xa. Object moving from object A to B means BA is equal to xb minus xa. So is equal to, in this case xb0. Okay, xb0 minus xa0 minus xb and xa0 plus vb minus va into t. vb minus va into t. Okay, now we say that velocity object B relative to object A is vb minus va. Here we say that relative to VA in this case, so VA is equal to VB minus VA, relative velocity of this particular two different objects. Similarly, velocity of object relative to velocity of object B. Similarly, velocity of object A to relative velocity of object B. So in this case VB is equal to VA minus VB. Okay, now consider some special cases. In first case, in this case velocity of object B and average velocity of object A, in this case both are equal, means velocity of B is equal to 10 meter per second, also velocity of A is equal to 10 meter per second, means that VB minus VA is equal to 0, means here relative velocity of, in this case, is equal to 0. So now here we, in first case suppose both type of object moving each other parallelly means travel equal distance, travel equal distance with time. Here graph x versus time, x versus time. So in first case Vb is equal to Va means velocity of object A and B both are same. So in this case relative velocity of this case is equal to 0. Now in figure number 3.17, same type of two different object A and B moving with a different velocity means Va is greater than to Vb means 20 meter per second Va is equal to and Vb is equal to 10 meter per second. So now here in the initial base, initial velocity at a time t is equal to 0, position of this object is xa is equal to 10, okay, and xp is equal to 40. xp is equal to 40, position of the object, Now this both type of object moving with different velocity, Va is equal to 20 meter per second and Vb is equal to 10 meter per second. But at one particular point, both type of object, here A object is overtake the object B because of velocity comparison to B is more. Velocity of the object A and for B, so in this case overtake at this position, but here at this position both situation for object A and B, position of the object is XA is equal to XB is equal to 70 meter, is equal to 70 meter for t is equal to time 3 second, means intersect to each other at this particular point. Position of this object is 70 meter and time t is equal to 3 second. So here overtake each other. So relative velocity of, in this case, Vb minus Va is negative. Vb minus Va is equal to negative because B minus A is equal to, here we know that Vb is equal to average velocity of object B is equal to 10 average meter per second. Average velocity of object A is equal to 20 meter per second. So 10 minus 20 minus 10. So is equal to minus VAB. So relative velocity of, in this case, is negative. Now in third case, in this third case, relative velocity also in this case negative, but intersect to each other at any point is this one. Intersect t is equal to 1 second. T is equal to 1 second. So relative velocity of object, graph x versus time. In this case, VA is equal to, here we know that in first case of A and B, so minus 10 means B is minus 10 in this case, okay, for B case, and minus 20 for velocity of object A. A is here for positive, so total is equal to minus 30. So in this case is equal to minus VAB. Intersect the point is here. In this case is t is equal to 1 second. T is equal to 1 second. So final in this case intersect at point 1 second. Okay.